Oh, you ran me over.
That's how you make that one.
You ran over Oma. Look, push here.
I think it moves when you yell. Whoa, whoa.
Yes.
Let's go for a ride.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
He's gonna go for a ride.
Is it talking to you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
He's got more presents to open up there over there, buddy.
Bray, get another present.
No, you. Let him play with whatever he wants right now.
Yeah.
You like that? That's from Colorado.
Oh.
Colorado, Oma. You're gonna run me over again. Beep beep. Choo choo. Beep beep. Just on videos.
I didn't hear about something called Skype.
Right.